Hi my friends, my name is Rick and welcome to my Cape Cod life. Today we're going to do a little tour around the garden, our April tour. So come and join me as we walk through the garden. Last 2 days it's been in the 70s, the first time this season, so I got a lot done because I'm going on a trip next week, so I wanted to make sure that was all knocked out, and it is. So let's go ahead and continue on to the garden. Typical of my spring garden, everything is everywhere. I actually did clean up a lot, but like you see my pots over there and whatnot. All right, so at the entrance of the garden, these beds have been amended. I'll put fertilizer when I'm ready to plant them out. All right, let's walk in. To the left, I have Swiss chard. I planted that yesterday. Looks like it needs to be watered again. Probably the whole garden. On that side, it's just a messy pot. Has oregano. I don't know if it's coming back. Okay, so the first bed on the left. So this bed right now, it's a little drippy. I definitely have to water. It's mostly lettuce. I do have a cabbage down there. I have some dill over here at the end. And I have frisee, which is an endive. It's not really a lettuce. Maybe you call it endive. Either way, it's one of my favorite greens to eat in late spring. This bed behind it has more lettuce and a cabbage and some dill. On the right side, this is a busy bed. I have all of my snow peas running around the trellis. I do have some cilantro planted in. I have planted radishes in here, and they're just starting to come up. This is broccoli. You can see dill, brassicas. This is all sorts of kales. I have curly kale. I have dazzling blue. I have lacinato, and I have red Russian. Now over here, it's supposed to be Vates collards, and I do have one right here that is. But these are not collards, I can tell you that. Google search says they're wild radishes. I don't know. Okay, over here I do have champion collards. And then in here I have assorted Asian greens. I see purple lady. We got gailan, which is like Chinese broccoli. Some bok choy there, tatsoi there. Oh, Mr. Dill. Way in the corner, I gotta pick those yellow leaves. That's an apricot cabbage, and the chive has just exploded. And you can see I've been harvesting some. This is my allium bed, so you're seeing way down there, that's my garlic. At the far end, I have music, and then I have Italian heirloom closer to me. Do have a couple of what do you call them, shallots in there. This is bunching onions over here. Some of them ones are from last year. Then over in there I have some Walla Walla onions. My strawberry bed, I still have to go through that and figure out how to amend it and clean it up a little bit. Over there, you see how these boards only last so many years. It's probably 8 years old. It's rotted. I don't know if I want to show you that, but I am. Let's keep it real. So that is my asparagus bed. I got to figure out how I'm going to fix that this season. Still a messy bed. So I have some parsley at either end. Some little plants that I don't need anymore. This bucket needs to be amended. This is going to be carrots. But I haven't started that. I'm gonna wait probably until I get back so I can keep an eye on the moisture level. These grow bags are messy. I haven't gotten to them, but they're gonna be for tomatoes. So, and I wanna knock all the soil out and amend it. So that is gonna be a project for when I get back. This round bed is all set to go. I ran out of the soil I want, so these two over here still need to be dealt with. But that's fine. This bed by the chicken run has kale and broccoli that looks really horrible. They overwintered. The kale is fine. The broccoli took a little bit of issue at it, but we'll see what happens. I'm basically going to be pulling it out and planting cow peas there, so I'm not too horribly concerned with the deck. I have this bed ready to go. That grow bag still needs to be dealt with, and this bed is ready to go. So here's my tall green stock, the original. Has a lot of lettuce in it. Almost ready to harvest some. Now I tried to grow garlic in the bottom, but I think it was just too cold this winter. That up here, my herbs didn't do well over winter. They're trying to come back, but I don't know. We'll see. This is the strawberry green stalk. I gotta trim away all the dead stuff from the winter, but they're looking like they're thriving down in there. Bird is freaking noisy, isn't it? Hey! Oh, that's not gonna work. Well, there you go, my friends. We took a little walk around the garden. I'm really pleased with what I got accomplished in the last couple of days. Tomorrow I have treatment, so I probably won't do too much. I do want to go to the store and get a couple more bags of raised bed mix. And yeah, we'll take it from there. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you would consider liking, subscribing, hyping, commenting, all the things you're supposed to do. And my friends who've been here before, I appreciate you so much. And as always, my Cape Cod life.